Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naziha binti Zainuddin and I am from group G36. So my group member is Muhammad Shafiq bin Ishaq and also Nik Nufaika binti Tamim. So I'm going to talk about activity 1, which is open loop position control. So first thing, we need to construct this circuit of open loop position control into the MATLAB Simulink. Then we need to key in all these parameters into this circuit. So this is all the component we need to construct loop. So all these component we can find it in the library browser. So this is our input angle, this is our potential meter, this is a twin gain, this is our electrical part, mechanical part, and this is our integrator. While this will display our input voltage, while this will display our shaft motor position. So after we find the component, we need to connect all these components together. So after we connect all the components, we need to set our input angle at 1 and we also set our actuator gain at 1 value. Then we can run this simulation. So the function of we set this actuator gain and input gain at 1 value because we want to see if our input voltage and shaft motor position show the value. So if this input voltage and shaft motor position show us the value, that means our block diagram is function. Then we set our input angle at 5 and we set our actuator gain at 1. Then our potential meter is in positive value. That means our motor will rotate clockwise. Then we run this simulation. So after we run this simulation, we can see that our voltage is 3.056 volt while our shaft motor is 58.64. So the shaft motor in positive values, that means the motor is rotate clockwise. To see the motor rotate anti-clockwise, we need to set our potential meter at negative value. Then we can see that our input voltage also will be negative and our shaft motor position also will be negative value. So that means our motor will rotate anti-clockwise.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nufaika binti Tamim and my message number is DE110116. So in here I will brief about the closed loop position control. So first, a block diagram of figure 3.5 is constructed using MATLAB Simulink, and then all of the parameter values are keyed into the Simulink block. And then the block simulink is checked by keying the input angle is 1 and attenuator value is 1. So I will run the simulation. And then I will set the input angle to 550 and also 360, which is positive is for potentiometer clockwise and negative is for anti-clockwise. So let's run the simulation by inserting the value for clockwise and anti-clockwise. I will start with input angle of 5, negative 5, 150, negative 150, 260, and also negative 260, while the attenuator gain is 1, 1, 5, 5, and also 8, 8. So to check the scope, we can just click here to see the wave. And this is the wave for negative 360, which is for anti-clockwise. So the result obtained, I will record it in table 3.3. That's all for me. Thank you.